What's up, guys? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Chandler's Sarcasm.
Which
Friends.
is probably the best I've ever seen off of any TV character, like ever. Like the writers got like spot on with his
I
personality.
think it's a tie for me
Between him and whom?
between him and Jeffrey from Fresh. Geoffrey from Fresh.
Oh, Fresh. Oh yeah, I forgot about Jeffrey. Ooh, yeah, that Jeffrey was better. Because he poked fun at you with a straight face. Chandler was like, he was asking you questions in the sense like,
Chandler was,
come on, think about it.
It was more self-deprecating. With Geoffrey, he was attacking someone.
Exactly.
Like
Jeffrey did not care. Like he was poking fun at you in your face.
But yeah, it's
the fat man. That's what he called him. Right? He called Philip the fat man.
When Philip is watching himself on the screen, and then he's like, "Whoa, the TV does really add 10 pounds. What about the other 200?"
Tell me what?
Yeah.
Look at you. You won't even look at him.
Oh, come on, tell me. I could use another reason why women won't look at me.
All right. Last night, I had a dream that you and I were doing it on this table.
Wow. Excellent dream score. Why would you dream that? More importantly, was I any good?
Well, you were pretty damn any good.
Interesting, because in my dreams, I'm surprisingly inadequate.
Why would you do this?
Well, last night you seemed to know your way around the table.
Rose is pissed.
I love it when we share.
You okay there?
I can't believe you two had sex in her dream.
I'm sorry, it was a one-time thing. I was very drunk, and it was someone else's subconscious.
We make fire. Cook meat. Then put out fire by peeing, no get invited back.
Cute. Oh, Joey, Melody called, said she's gonna be late.
Oh, okay.
So how are things going with you two?
Jesus Christ, that was so young. Oh my God.
No.
Is she becoming your special someone?
I don't know. She's pretty great.
Yeah? What does she think of your little science project?
What, you think I'm gonna tell a girl I like that I'm also seeing a cup?
Man's got a point.
Well, the tough thing is she really wants to have sex with me.
Crazy bitch.
I don't think that was sarcasm.
It is.
It
is.
I don't think it was.
Why would you expect a girl who you're talking to that likes you, doesn't want to have sex with you? It's like, come on.
No, but it's his party. She don't enjoy that. Why would she want to have sex with you? So she's crazy.
Okay, yeah, it could be twofold because
Could be
Joey's an
twofold.
idiot.
Like crazy bitch.
The process of every living thing on this planet evolving over millions of years from single-celled organisms is too easy?
Yeah, I just don't buy it.
Excuse me. Evolution is not for you to buy, Phoebe. Evolution is scientific fact, like the air we breathe, like gravity.
Oh, okay. Don't get me started on gravity.
You don't believe in gravity?
Well, it's not so much that, like I don't believe in it. It's just, I don't know, lately I get the feeling that I'm not so much being pulled down as I am being pushed.
What?
Uh-oh, it's Isaac Newton and he's pissed.
Look at Chandler, you have no backhand.
Excuse me, little one. I have a very solid backhand.
Shielding your face and shrieking like a girl is not a backhand.
I was shrieking like a Marine.
All right, here. Watch me execute the 3 P's of championship play. Power, precision, and panache.
Hit the box. Come on.
You broke a little girl's leg?
No, I feel horrible, okay?
It says here that a Muppet got whacked on Sesame Street last night. Where exactly were you around 10-ish?
I'm gonna go see her. I want to bring her something. What do you think she'd like?
Maybe a Hello Kitty doll? The ability to walk? I'm gonna get back to retraining.
All right. See you guys.
Look out, kids. He's coming.
Oh, shame.
Okay, that's like the least fun game ever.
Well, I'm really sick of your smoking, so I brought something that is going to help you quit.
Oh. Nope, that patch is no good.
Come on, it's a hypnosis tape. This woman at work used it for 2 weeks straight, and she hasn't smoked since.
Huh.
What's your problem?
Nothing. It's just that hypnosis is beyond crap.
Ross, I watched
agree.
you get hypnotized in Atlantic City.
Hey, that guy did not hypnotize me, okay?
Oh, right, because you always pull your pants down on the count of 3 and play Wipeout on your butt cheeks.
All right, you're gonna forget hypnosis. The way to quit smoking is you have to dance naked in a field of heather and then bathe in the sweat of 6 healthy young men.
Or what my father calls Thursday night.
All right. We have a tie. Luckily, I have prepared for such an event. The lightning round! 30 seconds, all the questions you can answer.
You guys are dead! I am so good at lightning rounds!
I majored in lightning rounds.
What?
All right? We're gonna destroy you.
I want to bet?
I'm so confused as to what we've been doing so far.
She gives the worst massages ever. Okay, it was like she was torturing me for information. And I wanted to give it up. I didn't know
That is hilarious. Torturing me for information.
what it was. Chandler, if it really hurts that bad, you should just tell her. Look, for the first time in my life, I'm in a real relationship, okay? I'm not gonna screw that up by, telling the truth. Whoa, dude, look out. Dude, you almost crushed my hat.
Sorry.
And the money got away. Hey, will you grab me a cruller? Sit down. Will you go to the hospital? Dude, hernia operations cost like a lot, probably. Okay? Besides, it's getting darker and more painful. That means it's healing. I will loan you the money. Just go to the hospital and let's just get that thing pushed back in. Thank you. But it would take me forever to pay you that money back, and I don't want that hanging over my head. Okay, besides, as soon as my insurance kicks in, I get all the free operations I want. Okay, I think I'll probably start with that laser eye surgery thing.
Hey,
Hey.
what's going on?
Well, Joey's got a really bad hernia, but it's nothing that a little laser eye surgery won't fix.
I thought Joey and I would be okay once we hung out, but it's like we don't even know how to be with each other anymore.
I know it's tough now, but things will get better.
How do you know that? What if it just gets worse and worse and worse to the point where we can't even be in the same room with each other?
I'm not great at the advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? Some cheese.
Okay, that started very well, but I don't know, it went south.
Yeah, the clips are not like.
Yeah,
come on.
the clips are not that good. They're not.
But Joey probably has. Chandler probably has the best one-liners.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. There he does
killer,
in the entire show. Ross probably has the best expressions, like reactions to situations. But yeah, that was Chandler's Sarcasm. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for sticking